First, click on Direct Messages. Then click on Quests. Find a quest and click Accept Quest. After that, go to My Server and click on ORBS code. Then copy the code I gave there. Then click Ctrl+Shift+I and the console should appear. If the console doesn't appear, then check my ORBS code channel to fix it. After that, type, allow pasting in the console, and press Enter. Now you should be ready to paste the code you copied earlier. After pasting, press Enter and you are done. Wait for the quest to finish. You have to wait 15 minutes. After it's finished, click Claim Reward. And you should get the orbs. It's better to use these orbs quickly as Discord sometimes resets them. Subscribe to get more Discord hacks.